Welcome back to Creative J. And today we're here in the clubhouse, the creative clubhouse of Me Journey. And today I'm going to be showing you my slime kit. It's a Nickelodeon slime kit. I got this for my birthday party on April 28th, but my real birthday is April 25th. I am 9 now. I am one of the top 10 students in my classroom who is 9, and I'm happy, but I still feel the same. So let's get started and open the slime kit. How do you open this? All right, I have scissors. BRB, found them. Okay, so let's get started. Put that over here. Okay. Okay, so put in the comments. I said comics, okay. Put in the comments down below and tell me what slime you think I should make. Okay, so, I think I might make party. Yes, party. They give me bowls. How nice! And I have on white today. So this definitely matches my outfit. Okay, so let's put these bowls over here. I'm very organized. Ooh, I have paint. Maybe put this paint over here. These over here. Some tops. That bibbidi bobbidi boo. Yeah. Jazz hands. Well, I can't do my jazz hands because I have these tops in my hands. So, 1, 2, 3, jazz. I'm so excited. I have my own slime kit. I have like 3 slime kits for my birthday. Crazy, right? Some people think I told everybody the same thing. I didn't. But anyways, let's get started. So after I took a short break, this is how the slime turns out. I was trying to figure out how to make my scented translucent blue slime. And the reason why I chose blue is because I like blue. So this is what the slime looks like. It's translucent, not all that stretchy, but it's really nice. It's kind of cool. I'm floating, I'm a floaty, I'm floaty, floaty the puddle. Anyways, let's put that back in there. And now I am going to make another slime. But which slime should I make? Let's make foam slime. So right now I'm going to make some foam slime. Open this. Get out the foam. Now, here we go. So, now we have a clean bowl. So really quick, I'm going to scan through the foam instructions. So, first I'm going to need the same ingredients. So I'm going to use clear blue slime, 15 ml. Squeeze. My hands are squeeze. 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 Okay, so I got that. Now I need to pour it out. I dropped one. Okay, well actually I dropped 2. But anyways, let's pour that in. drop some on the table. So, it's finished. I'm missing the bowl. Okay, now I need 20 ml of water. Please don't let me drop this. Don't. Oh no. Okay, so I'm gonna pour this into my sink. So 20, no, a little more. Now let's put it. Okay, so 20 ml. I'm not very good with water. Ew, I got hair. Okay. So this, after I finish, I'm going to clean all of this up. So now I'm going to stir that. And now I need 1/3 of this. Okay, now let's just look for what I need. I need 1/3. Okay, so they don't have a 1/3. So I think I'm just gonna pour as much as I want. I have to jiggle. Okay, now let's pour like a little bit. I think that's enough. Whew. So now I need to mix that. And now I need the slime activator. Add a few drops. And then stir that in there. Slime, you guys. So now I am going to try to play with it after I pour it into my container. So I'm going to need 1 container. Put this to the side. Need 1 of these containers. And then 1 of these tops so they don't dry up. This is so cool. Wow, it makes foam slime. You guys, so it feels a little sticky, but I think that when you start playing with it a little more, it starts getting less sticky, like with this blue slime I had. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and remember, put in the comments below what slime you think I should have made. Toodles!